Hi guys! Kamusta? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and for today's vlog, naisipan ko lang mag-vlog today because kinakamusta na tayo ni YouTube. So, kailangan na natin mag-upload ng maraming videos sa ating channel. Madelete na ang ating account! Yeah! So, medyo matagal-tagal na nga tayong hindi nakakapag-upload. Meron kaming agenda today, so samahan nyo kami. Kasama ko si Talia, guys. Kaming tatlo dahil sa ate may klase. You're so pretty. Is Bobby pretty, guys? Yes. Yes. So, ayun guys, samahan nyo kami dahil papakita ko sa inyo yung mga process. Kung anong gagawin nila kay Daddy sa kanyang chips para mawala yung injury niya. So, that's it guys. I'll update you later. Bye! Bye! Okay, bye!
Pamansad ka ng sa di pa man ma-point out ni mo sir first sa imuhang hadapit sir, pagsaba lang kung hindi kaya ang pressure. Yes, pero okay siya so far. Okay, adjust ko na ito siya. Alright. Okay, pag-exhale na, relax mo na mas ma-goat pa niyo siya.
What's that? You want to try? No? Look.
Let's go. Yes, so din tayo.
Okay guys, so tapos na kami guys magpa si tawag dato di?
Cairo.
Dili man Cairo.
Papiti.
Okay guys, so we are now in Divisoria. We are ay nang lechon baka Dani Dads. Lechon baka.
Kurito na.
So ang problema, walang parking lot. Yan ang problema dito. So katatapos lang ng session niya, naghahanap kami ng parking lot dahil kakain kami dito sa ayan, Pater Al Kuwait. Sobrang masarap dyan guys. Wala pa kaming lunch. So 3:21 na, wala pa kaming lunch. Kasi 1:30 PM yung schedule niya doon. Pwede siguro Dani, ay no parking. Gutom na kayo. Gutom na kami guys. Wala pa kami kain. Talia, Mili. Are you okay? You want milk? Okay, I'll get you milk. It's hot there. Move, move. Move.
Baklay ng kata.
Yes, please. Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you my food. Pizza. Makapirat na tayo. We'll buy chicken na lang in the Jollibee. So here is mine. It's beef. beef, pero gusto ko din yung tuna. Yes. What? Let's go. Oops. Careful. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. We're done na. And we're going home na. We're going to Ayala. We're very busog. How about Bobby? Uy! Uy! What's that? What are you eating? What's that? Can you show me? Show it in the camera. That's up. Show it to the camera. What's that? It's a bread. Is that crispy, Bobby? Is that crispy? Okay.
Nag-vlog naman ikaw si vlogger na.
Wala, oy, nag-email na si YouTube sa ako nga. Mairis na akong account. Wala yung ba? Sayang ba yun?
Dapat.
What?
And let's stay also mommy.
What? Why are you shy?
What's there? Is there a stuff there?
Yes. That's Amul Baya. So there's a lot of stuffs there. There's a lot of food.
And what else?
Sus, ang gaulat man siya dulaan ako
What
yung ka
else,
po eh.
mommy?
Toys! But you're not gonna buy toys today, right?
Yeah.
Oh, because you have a lot of toys now, right?
And not teddies.
What?
Not teddies only.
Yeah, Teddy.
I already have
Para
a
ito rin
kid.
ito katong nasa kundi eh.
Mommy,
Sa
I
dads.
Pwede
Mommy,
ba
I
dito?
have,
Diri
Mommy.
sa isimba, sis implementin ko sa TikTok
Yeah.
what it is
I
even
have
do.
already toys.
Itong
Yeah.
surprise ko.
Mommy, I have already teddy bear. It's a cute little teddy bear,
Yeah, so you should not buy a toy.
right? And a teddy bear also.
Yeah, Teddy's.
I have already a teddy. It's a cute little teddy, right, Mom?
Yeah, so what are you gonna buy, man?
We're going to buy food.
Food? What else?
Your things.
My things? I'm not gonna buy my things.
I'm going to buy things.
Ah, for you, your things.
I'm going to buy things.
Alright.
And the
This is not SM, man. It's Ayala. Centrio Mall. Yeah, it's Ayala Mall.
And what's else?
There's a lot of stuff lagi.
There's
We're looking for a...
not.
No left turn. It's just exit na di.
There's a playground or not.
There's a playground, but we're not going to the playground.
Yeah. But mommy.
Let's call Mama Labi if Ate Pia is there na. We got a parking lot. Bobby is so lucky. Where's your slipper you wear na?
Yeah.
Wear it na. Let's go.
Let's go.
So, ayan ang effect, guys. Hindi siya makalakad ng maayos, guys. Sige lang, guys.
I love you, Mom.
Iyo lang kay pang 5 km ramang ko dan. Kanira oh. Diri na ko maginana. Mahal. This one lang gyud ako.
Hindi ka niyo? Ano yung bag ko?
So white kaya ako maparis. Ako maning maano di. Nice bag color but nga ako kay mapurman ako siya ba magamit na ako siya sa ano. Hello, Bunny.
He's so cute.
Let's go na, let's go.
Bye, Bunny.
Bye, Bunny.
Mommy, this is Rabbit. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Let's go, let's go. Let's go na. Bobby.
Daddy, do you want spicy chicken and Jollibee? Yes? And I like chicken and rice.
And toys.
Yeah.
Dad, Dad. Dad.
And
Small lang.
Mommy, you need to buy Pia a bigger also.
No, she have a chingo na.
But,
5 coins mo dami.
pa, sana. Ning, 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 ning. Kasana. Ning, 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 ning. Ning, 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 ning. Kasana.
Let's check if there's a toy. Bobby likes Jollibee chicken.
And toy.
And toys.
Let's check.
Let's check. Check it, check it, check. Chiki, chiki, check. What are you going to buy, Bobby? Okay, so hindi ko alam kung bakit nawala yung sounds ng video natin. So, ayun na nga, that time wala ngang toys dyan sa Jollibee na yan. So, pumunta na lang kami sa ibang branch. So, dito sa kabilang branch, meron kami nakuhang toys. And, ayan, pauwi na nga kami. So, sayang yung audio talaga, guys. Ang daldal pa naman ni Talia. Hanggang dito na lang muna yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like po yung video natin. Thank you very much. Bye!